I got a package in the mail today. I'm about to unbox it because I'm too excited. Can't wait to open this mug. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's go. So cute. So it comes in this bag. It's like a string backpack. This is so freaking cute, y'all. He does all of these designs by himself. Like, this is his design. He drew this. Just know I'm going to use this. The name of the brand is right here. Puriana. Check him out if you haven't. Check it out. Oh. Yo, what? Yo, we got some stickers in the building. So freaking cool, bro. Like, what? All right, we got a t-shirt. We got a good old t-shirt. Everything I got is in a size medium, love. This is so cute. This is the front of it, and this is the back. Okay, we got a crew neck. Okay, and it's the same style. Yo, this is gonna be so cute. Ooh, I can make this into a dress. Hold on. Yes, sir. When you catch me stepping, please don't forget to take a picture.